So what would you like to talk about today? I don't really have anything on the agenda. I don't have anything. Let me look and see what I made my video. I mean, I know what I made my video on, but I'm going to see what title I had. Just clutter-proof your home. That's what we talked about in the video. So we can talk about that today, how to clutter-proof your home. If you haven't watched the video, then you don't know what I said. And what I did say, basically, was that you have to find places for everything in your home and you have to clutter stop. And clutter stop, it's formal if you do it 3 times a day, um, 7 days a week. That's your formal clutter stop where you're saying, oh, yeah, I got to look around and see what's messy. But after a while, you won't have to say, oh, yeah, it's going to be all the time. Like when Micah says, come get your shoes, that's a clutter stop. When you say, oh, I left the salt on the table, let me put it back where it goes above the stove or whatever. That's your clutters. Those are little clutter stops that'll just start to become habit for a lot of you. But some of you it'll take longer to develop the